Did you know that you can actually make money online selling products that you never even needed to create, and you can actually make 100% profit doing it? That is exactly how I went from being a broke stay-at-home mom to 3 boys and an army wife to now making almost $600,000 in under 2 years. And I'm going to show you how it works. 2 years ago, we were broke. I needed a new transmission for my car, needed to pay for 4 tires, 6 rental cars, all while my husband was away. And I was caught up in the Google search for all of the ways to make money online. Nothing ever made me a substantial income until now. It all changed when I discovered digital marketing, and more importantly, the power of reselling products online. Here's the thing, you guys, we live in a world where everybody is reselling. Target didn't make the Magnolia collection. They didn't make Pampers diapers. Most boutiques are not making the clothes that they're selling. They're buying wholesale. Verizon didn't make the iPhone. Sprint didn't make the iPhone, and it goes on and on and on. They are businesses that connect customers to products, and they get paid when people purchase. That's exactly what I do, but on a smaller, much simpler scale. Because with digital marketing, you never need to create your own product unless you want to. You simply promote products, courses, or programs that already exist, and when somebody buys from your link, you get paid. Not an upline, not a company. You make 100% of the profit. That's the really exciting part too. With digital products, you make 100% of the profit. So the margins are so much higher than affiliate marketing or network marketing, where you're typically only making 25 to 50% of whatever it is that you're selling. With digital products, you make 100% straight to your account. Businesses are spending billions every single year on digital ads and partnerships with people just like us who had absolutely no experience prior to starting. They just want somebody who can connect the dots. And that's exactly why digital marketing is one of the most in-demand skills right now, because every business needs customers, and where are customers? Online. So all that I did was I got a program that teaches me the skills to market anything on all social media platforms. What I do with it is totally up to me. So there are a lot of business owners that will just get a program because they want to learn the skills to market on social media, or they might get a program to learn the skills to build digital products on social media. But the cool thing about this is you also get 100% resale rights. So when you get the program, you are also able to learn the skills in the program just to market the program and make 100% profit. When I learned these skills, everything changed. I never needed to recruit anybody. I never needed to cold message anybody. I just learned the skills of attracting customers to me to average $900 a day. And guys, the best part is I don't even work more than 2 hours a day from my cell phone. If you want to learn exactly what I've done to resell products that I never needed to create and to build an automated system that is working for me 24/7 in the background of my day so I can spend all that time with my kids, then make sure you check out the link in my subscription and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to give you guys all the tea on exactly how to do this. And if you want some ideas on high profit digital products, make sure you check out the next video. And let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I'd love to hear from you. Bye.